do. Whoever you are, go anywhere, 'cause it's your kind of car. The Vauxhall Chevette is whatever you want it to be. A sporty coupe, a family saloon, a handy estate, so now you call the tune. The Vauxhall Chevette is whatever you want it to be.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Oh, what day are we on? Wednesday, yes, it's Wednesday. We're off to Russellville the Friday to be, and then I'm going there on the Saturday. We're traveling down the Friday. What's this? Bright? Oh, yeah, bright thing. Sun. Lovely. Right, it's time to get the windscreen in. Yeah, the rear one. I've been dreading this. Obviously, it's not fitted at the moment. All I've done is just put the seal around it, just to dry fit it, to test it. We have got some automotive glass sealant because we need to put a bead on the piece, on the trim, all the way around the edge, which goes to the glass, and then we need to put some on the flap that actually goes to the body to seal it in. So yeah, we've got some braided rope, which we're going to soak with some washing up liquid just to make it easier to come out. And I've also got an assistant who's going to help put some pressure on it as I'm pulling the rope through. So here I go, see if I can get him in. Gotta try it. Getting a bit of this in. Fortunately, the wind's decided to pick up, which is not helping us at all. I have to get the roof and it's dry because it's too much of it. Weather gods. Right. Well guys, off camera, we've got the rope in. Off camera, oh, a bit fiddly. We've got it in, got it crossed over. So now, not going to do much talking, we're just going to get it in and then we're going to start from there. So, just sit in there. Tip for everybody, don't put the sealant in around that before you put the glass in, because you can't hold the gas properly because it's caused it all to be slippy now. So I'd get it in and then get the nozzle under and seal it round. But we live and learn. Well, the rubber's in. Camera turned off for some reason, but I've still got the front to do, so I can do. Now I know how to get it in. Oh, that was a bit of a struggle, but it's in. All we got to do is put the chrome strip, which acts as a bit of a locking strip as well. Hi guys, as you can see, just a picture now of the rear windscreen completely fitted with the chrome trim. Unfortunately, the video cut off completely of us installing the chrome trim. Don't know why, but having problems recording today, all day today. So anyway, there as you can see, it is all installed. Note for anyone, for when we do the front windscreen or anyone attempting to do one of these, put the sealant in after, because you can lift the seals up and you can get the sealant round, because all it does, it makes it so slippery and so awkward to try and fit it. Anyway, we've got lots more to do for Rustaville, so the next video you will probably see off us will be after our visit to Rustaville. So enjoy the rest of your week, enjoy your weekend, and we'll definitely catch you on the next one.